Do you remember at this fancy product last year where it all went viral? The ultimate wind tunnel to test the aerodynamics of your model cars? It came from Funtechlab. And now these guys absolutely cooked again. The upcoming Parksible from Funtechlab is guaranteed to generate plenty of buzz once again. Quite simply, nothing like this has ever been seen before, at least not in this scale. Parksible is the world's first smart garage for model cars, inspired by the automated parking systems known from full-scale vehicles. In certain cities, particularly across Asia, such underground parking systems are still in operation. A well-known example can even be seen in Japan in Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, where Sean Boswell, played by Lucas Black, and Twinkie, played by Bow Wow, wait at the garage exit while Twinkie eagerly anticipates his prized car. Parksible features 14 car slots, accommodating models ranging from 45mm to 102mm, making it suitable for all common 1/64 scale cars. The entire unit stands approximately 712 millimeters tall and weighs around 8 kilograms. It includes a smart display for key information as well as a physical control dial used to move the selected car into the garage. Each of the 14 platforms is illuminated to perfectly showcase the model stored within. Using a smartphone, users can select a parking slot and instantly see which spots are occupied or available. The rear panel can be opened to manually swap out the cars if desired. Every individual slot is monitored, with the app displaying temperature and humidity levels for each space to ensure optimal conditions for every model. Parksible will be available in 2 different versions. While the design and size remain identical, the Pro version offers even more advanced technical features compared to the standard model. If you already consider the regular version a technological milestone, the top-tier Pro version takes things even further with additional features that are truly impressive. For example, it comes equipped with an AI-powered camera and a built-in car scanner that captures the model and generates a 3D representation within the app. This allows you to view your model in a full 360-degree visualization directly on your smartphone. Unlike the standard version, Parksible Pro features intelligent recognition, automatically detecting each model upon arrival and synchronizing its display with the app in real time. Sounds like the future? It already is. We have not yet had the opportunity to test Parksible in person, but we were provided with exclusive material directly from Funtechlab to introduce it to you. In the near future, we will be able to take a closer look ourselves, officially test the product, and share further content with you, including additional videos on Instagram. Until then, you can secure your own slot in the Kickstarter campaign via the link in the description. What are your thoughts on the Parksible? Let us know in the comments down below. As always, thanks a lot for watching and your support. Happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers.